In this video, you'll learn how to add a divider line in Webflow. By following these steps, you will be able to enhance the visual structure of your web pages effectively. Begin by navigating to your Webflow project. Open your browser and enter the Webflow site. If prompted, sign in using your account credentials. Once you are logged in, locate the project you wish to edit and click on its name to open the project workspace. Next, look for the Add Element button on the left sidebar of the interface. This button typically has a plus sign icon. Click on it to open a menu of available elements that you can add to your page. After the element menu appears, find the section labeled Basic. This section contains fundamental elements for your design. Click on Basic to reveal the options available in that category. Now, locate the div block option within the Basic section. Click on div block to select it. Once you do this, you will notice that your cursor changes to indicate that you can place the div block on the canvas. Drag the div block to your desired location on the page. Position it strategically where you want the divider line to appear. Once you release the mouse button, the div block will be placed in that location. Next, with the div block selected, navigate to the settings panel on the right side of the screen, look for the size option and click on it to adjust the dimensions of your div block. Then find the height setting, click on it and enter the value 1 feet to set the height of the divider line. This will create a thin line that will serve as your divider. Proceed to adjust the width of the divider. Click on the width option in the settings panel. Enter 2000 to set the width of your divider line. This measurement will make the line span across the desired width of your layout. Finally, after making these adjustments, review the placement of your divider line on the canvas. Ensure that it appears as intended in your design. If everything looks good, you can proceed to publish your changes. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.